Hey and welcome to Alpha. So in this video we are once again going to run Alpha Master. This is a robot that you also can download today and get started with today. So just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also, if you found this type of videos exciting to see, make sure you hit that like button. You help me tremendously if you do so. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also make sure you see to the end of the video, because as always in the end of the video I will show you the trades and the win rate of the trades we have done. Okay, but now let's start up Alpha Master, and I hope you enjoy this robot as much as I enjoy it. There we have it. We made $415 today. Our all over, let's see if I can remove this one. All over right now we are at a win rate of 53%. That's quite decent, thinking about that you're using martingale. So once again, if you want to run this robot also, you find link below the video, and I hope you have an amazing day.